You guys are chilling over here, huh?
Yeah, we're chilling.
How come that you guys are speaking English? Oh, come on, pal. I don't take questions to come on, sir.
Hey, you go. Yeah, yes, yeah.
Okay. Well, put your feet down.
No, man. I say, Papa,
okay, sit down. Sit down. Oh, bombo class.
Oh, I'm Moody kind. You want a year track time. Who's spending kind? But yeah,
Look at them.
Ella, no.
I'm from this girl.
Our friends in the town.
Your friends?
Yeah.
We call them bitches over there, man.
Yeah.
America from them bitches.
You like it? I'm gonna lure her for you.
I don't like the way the toy you walk like this, like some maca, you know? Yeah. That's cow disease, you know?
Yeah, man.
So what's up, man?
Yeah, we are the boys in town. Boys.
What's up, man?
Oh, man.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
They are bitches, man.
Bitches.
Oh.
Right. Hello, sir.
Who you share me?
Yeah, I'm not with that feeling. So you have put black now, share what's all the memory.
Na coat you say go me bed. The coat is on my bed. Go you never find something. I can't go to the cemetery. You know something my crutches are. Make them one panel so black coat go. Why? Now I'm going to pass it to you. I'm just enjoying myself, man.
Yeah, man, we're chilling, man.
Oh,
dear, bro.
I'm going to see.